Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, we will discussing about Experiment 5 Viva questions on Draw the projections of planes. Let us see the first question. When a plane is perpendicular to a reference plane, its projection on that plane is? The answer is line. Here I am going to show you two different cases. Let us see the first case. In that case, you can take one rectangle plane. This is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. So in that case, in the front view it is appear like line, and top view it gives true shape, that is a rectangle shape. Let us see the second case. The same rectangular plane makes a certain angle with horizontal plane. In the front view it is appear like line, and top view it gives a reduced rectangle. You can see the one more case, that is the same plane makes inclination with vertical plane. In that case, front view gives a reduced rectangle, and top view gives the line. So the correct answer is line, because when a plane is perpendicular to a reference plane, its projection on that plane. So the answer is line. Question number 2. If a plane surface is perpendicular to both HP and VP, then its true shape can be obtained in side view. You can see this image. Here I have taken one ABCD square. This is perpendicular to HP and perpendicular to VP. In the front view it is appear like a straight line, that is AB appears, and it is also in the top view it is appear like straight line, but we can see the true shape only in the side view. So the correct answer is answer side view. Question number 3. When a plane is parallel to a reference plane, its projection on that plane show its. Answer is true shape. You can see this image. Here I have taken one triangular plane PQR. This is parallel to vertical plane. So this projection should be, this true projection falls on vertical plane. You can see the second example, ABCD square plane. This is parallel to horizontal plane. This true shape projection on horizontal plane. So the answer is true shape. When a plane is parallel to a reference plane, its projection on that plane show its true shape only. Question number 4. A circle plane is inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. Its top view will be an ellipse. You can see this image. For example, you can take one plane, that is circle. This circle is parallel to HP. In that case, true shape gives in only top view. When this circle plane makes certain angle with horizontal plane, in that case, this top view will be reduced and it is appear like ellipse or oval shape. Question number 5. The expression for the included angle theta of an n-sided polygon is mentioned as theta equal to 180 minus y by x. Identify the y equal to and x equal to. We know that we can find the include angle of any polygon, that is theta equal to 180 minus 360 degrees by n. Here y is the 360 degrees and n or x number of sides. In the next video we will discussing about experiment number 6 Viva questions. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.